Talkdesk AppConnect lets you extend the power of your contact center with additional capabilities to solve all your CX needs. Now you can modernize your contact center with simple direct access to a catalog of integrated apps, including over 90 partner offerings, and all of our Talkdesk add-on products. Our best-in-class AppConnect partners offer the latest cutting-edge capabilities to adapt with you as your business needs and customer expectations evolve. And because all of our apps are pre-integrated to ensure rapid time to value and minimal effort to launch, you have unprecedented flexibility to find and deploy the best solutions to help you increase productivity, lower costs, decrease attrition, optimize resources and customer interactions. AppConnect offers solutions for specific industries and across all categories of CX, from workforce management to analytics to self-service experiences. Many apps offer free trials with no commitment to buy, allowing you to see what solutions are the best fit for your business. AppConnect is already enhancing contact centers across the globe, improving agent performance and customer satisfaction while also reducing costs. Are you ready to take your contact center experience to the next level? Explore the AppConnect marketplace now.